हाली सोशल मिडियात तृणमूल काँग्रेसीचो उल्लेख करून व्हायरल जावपी व्हिडिओ बनावट आसा. हो बनावट व्हिडिओ काँग्रेस आनी भाजप पसरपाक लागल्यात म्हूण तृणमूल काँग्रेसीचो फुडारी ट्राजानो डिमेलोन दावो केला.
When this video was flashed out, our leader, the Rajya Sabha MP, and the National Vice President, Bob Luizin Falero, immediately tweeted and condemned this video and tried to say that this is nothing but spreading of false news to try to discredit the TMC. Now, and the beauty of it is that BJP staunch workers, known workers, staunch office holding responsible positions are forwarding it. And to add to that, their purchasing partner, that is supposed to be the main opposition, which every day is getting wiped out, with today a prominent leader leaving them, they also are forwarding it. So now, why is this happening? This is simple. You don't require rocket science for this. The BJP has started trembling, and especially after they came to know that their alliance partner for so long has joined hands with the TMC. When this news leaked out, they had nothing but shivers in their pants. And to add to it, the so-called main opposition party, which the whole of Goa knows, that the Congress party is too weak to take on this BJP government. Anybody will tell you this. And the only alternative that is emerging now is the TMC-MGP alliance. This is the most credible alternative that we can present to the people of Goa. That here is a party that you can trust. Here is a party that has proved its credentials with all this type of fake news in Bengal. Even with the Congress putting up candidates along with the CPM in all the 294 seats. That is the time who was dividing the votes. That is, who was the B team? Who was the B team that time? Can the Congress leaders answer this? BJP IT cell is well known throughout India how they manipulate fake news and create discord among the citizens at the time of election. But if they think they will succeed in Goa, then they are sadly mistaken. Goans are well known, are peace-loving people. Goans are not going to fall to this bait. The Goans, at the same time, will not watch this nautangi that is going on by the BJP and its ally, which is the Congress. Nobody on this earth is going to believe in Goa that the Congress can defeat the BJP. No one has stood up to say that it is not fake. This proves that it is fake. I challenge anyone to stand up and say that this is not respond to our charge that it is fake. And it will be forwarded by Congress office bearers and BJP office bearers. I am again, all this is happening. Had the BJP done its work, had the BJP helped the people, today people of Goa are suffering. May it be price rise, may it be gas, may it be petrol, may it be anything. They have played the fool. They have brought misery on these people of Goa. I am appealing to the people, do not fall prey to such fake videos. And I am justifying that it is fake because no political party who is busy forwarding them and spreading this video is able to stand up and say that it is not a fake video.